जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 51st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग ब्रह्म विद्या उपदेशम टू ईच and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying, "Ho Arjuna, eternal bliss, Sasvata Anandam, Moksham must be your goal. To attain that moksham, here is a very clear instruction that I am presenting to you, which is clearly disclosed by our Shastram." So what you need to do to get moksham? You have to be performing all your duties efficiently, and you should not be seeking fruits of your actions. And even if you do not seek, there will be some intermittent results of your actions. So with that, do not let your mind get shaken, and you have to have a knowledge, an awareness constantly should be flowing in your mind that you are different from your body. If you keep doing these things in your life continuously, none of your actions would cause any bondage to you, and you will be completely freed from all karma bandham, and even previous bandham also will be removed. Then you will be relieved from the clutch of the birth and death. You will be removed from the cycle of birth and death, and you will get moksham. This is how Krishna Paramatma giving a clear instructions for all of us to attain eternal bliss. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Karmajam buddhiyukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha विनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्ति अनामयम्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do every of your activity as my service, keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Sri Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Gomata is having a conversation with Dharmadevata, who is in the form of Vrishabham. Now Gomata saying, O Dharmadevata, Kali occupied me. That is why I am worried about not only about myself, not only about yourself, but also about all the devatas, all the rishis, all the pitrudevatas, all the devotees, all those who are following our Vedic prescriptions. About all of them, because Kali occupied me, I am worrying about all of them. Anusochami. Now onwards I am thinking that there may not be any more joy, any more happiness to all these categories because of Kali. O Dharmadevata, Brahmadayo Bahutidhim. Chaturmukha Brahma and all other devatas will be doing tapasya only to get Paramatma's kataksham. Such Paramatma, such Sri Krishna Bhagavan is now left me alone. O Dharmadevata, Sakshat Lakshmi Devi also will be engaged in Pada Seva of Paramatma. Such Sri Krishna Paramatma has been blessing me for so long time with the touch of his divine feet to me. Now such feet, such divine feet, such padukas, which has such a great, wonderful, beautiful indications, beautiful impressions of Abja, Vajra, Ankusha, Chakra, Meena, Shankha, Chapakeya, Chinnitambulaina, Sri Charanamulinka Sokadanuchu, Vagavu Sokenaya, Dvajam, Vajram, Ankusam, Shankham, Chakram. Such great impressions were there on the feet of padukas of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Now those padukas are not touching me anymore. As long as I had the touch of Paramatma's padukas, I used to feel that there would not be any more fortunate than me, anyone. O Dharmadevata, Now that Paramatma, Vasudeva, is left me alone. Srimannarayana came down to relieve me from all kind of bad people. Paramatma himself Leelakaramudalchenu Sri Lalane Sundu. Srimannarayana himself came down and born in this Yadava dynasty to make sure the dharmam is established. That is why Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, Gomata is sharing all her feelings with Vrishabha Devata, Dharma Devata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Jayatu Jayatu Devo Devaki Nandanoyam. Jayatu Jayatu Krishno Vrishni-vamsa Pradipaha. Jayatu Jayatu Meghasyamalak Komalangaha. Jayatu Jayatu Prudhvi Bharanaso Mukundaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 51st sloka. Karmajam buddhiyukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinaha janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gacchanti anamayam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.